Sushil Narayan from Ericsson. I'm part of an engagement practice called Cloud. And in my role, I work with operators dealing with solutions related to network functions, especially virtuality, voice over Wi-Fi. I think I'd like to thank TSDSI for giving us this opportunity to be here and to talk about what more can be done as a collaboration and what more we can bring to the standardizations. And it's been an excellent opportunity. It was good to hear other speakers as well to understand the complications and the challenges that's happening on various standardization bodies. Probably one way to move forward would be to even involve service providers and operators in India, because these are the key stakeholders who are going to be implementing NFV or network function virtualization. It's very critical to have them on board so they are able to express their challenges and how standardization can actually address these challenges or what changes they need in order to have an efficient rollout. And I think TSDSI, as a key player, should get these stakeholders, namely the operators, on board to understand more. And that makes a complete team. You have service providers, you have vendors, and you have the TSDSI members as well to sort of take this collaboration forward. Thank you.